Noswaith dda, edrych ymlaen at bennod arall. Good evening, looking forward to another episode. Cyfres 3, yr wythfed bennod ar hugain, the 28th episode. Mwy o eiriau, more words. Noswaith dda, dda as soft mutated after the feminine singular noun noswaith evening. That's what adjectives do after nouns. They after the feminine ones they mutate. At bennod. So at is a preposition, one of them that cause soft mutations. Am arat. Those three prepositions beginning with a, am, arat, all cause soft mutation. So bennod has become bennod in that phrase. Cyfres 3. Wythfed bennod ar hugain. So the ordinal wythfed has caused bennod to become bennod. And then we've got in the title mwy o eiriau. Geiriau words as soft mutated, lost its G after the word o, which means of or from, and it's a preposition. Yes. What other bits have we got? The words for today then are a mixed bag of words. There's a lesson on it, of course, and we're going through them. Got digon, which means enough or plenty, sufficient, or coming done as well, as in a cooked, it's done kind of sense. Some words and phrases. Llawer means a lot, many, much, or far. Llawer. Digon was the other one. Digon. Try and go over them a few more times. Pawb means everybody or everyone. Pawb. Pob means all, each, every, or can mean baked as well. Popeth means everything. Rhywbeth means everything. No, it doesn't. It means something. Popeth means everything. Rhywbeth means something. Rhywle means somewhere. Rhywun means someone or somebody. Rhywun. Eiriau. Any. So they've all got that word rhyw in there. RHYW meaning some. And then you got rhywbeth, something. Rhywle, somewhere. So lle or lay or ble, all having kind of words, aren't they? Place and where, a location. So rhywle means somewhere. Rhywun means someone. Un in there, the number. And then swap that round for the word any as well. Eiriau. And if you want anyone, you say unrhywun. That means like one someone. If you take the word un meaning one and rhyw meaning some, that's what that kind of roughly translates as. I don't think it means that, but just to show you what's happening with using that, reusing that word there. Ychydig is the other word there, as little or few. And I got lots of sentence examples on the website today. Just moving this around. The listening exercise for today, I'll read that out first. Mae pawb yn y dosbarth yn dysgu Cymraeg. Mae pawb yn y dosbarth yn dysgu Cymraeg. Everyone in the class is learning Welsh. Maen nhw'n dysgu rhywbeth newydd ym mhob gwers. Maen nhw'n dysgu rhywbeth newydd ym mhob gwers. They are learning something new in every lesson. Mae llawer o'r dysgwyr yn dysgu ychydig ar y tro. Mae llawer o dysgwyr yn dysgu ychydig ar y tro. Many of the learners are learning a little at a time. Mae rhai ohonyn nhw'n dysgu rhywle ar-lein hefyd. Mae rhai ohonyn nhw'n dysgu rhywle ar-lein hefyd. Some of them are also learning somewhere online. Mae'n dda dysgu gyda rhywun. Mae'n dda dysgu gyda rhywun. It's good to learn with someone. Mae popeth ar gael I unrhyw un. Mae popeth ar gael I unrhyw un. Everything is available to anyone. Yeah, so you can see what I've done there again. Usually made it easy for us. Got the my at the beginning of every sentence, so we kind of feel more comfortable. There's the bits and bobs in there. There's other things that we've done over previous lessons. Hob. So there's on the web lesson today, there's another drag and drop sort of exercise. I want you to decide which words go after and ung, the different words of the preposition in. So, and that's in this written exercise there. We did it a few lessons back. What else is in there? All these words today, obviously. All different types of words. Many, bit, lots. And then we got words for someone, somewhere, something. These sort of words. And let's have a look at some sentences off the website. I had more time today. I was more concentrated and sped up the way I do things by being more organised. I tidied up my checklist that helps me keep what I'm up to, because I've realised I get distracted and lost very quickly, and my attention goes, and I didn't realise I was like that. But doing this all day long, I now know that I have to have I'm better with a bit of structure. So I hope that means more chance of me to go over stuff and get better examples and give you more of them, and make sure I don't have too many mistakes. There are some mistakes. There's many mistakes here and there. I tidy things up and find things myself, but I will make mistakes. We all do. Every source I've ever seen has mistakes. That includes the national course, Duolingo, the lot. Everyone has a mistake somewhere or other. But we learn from our mistakes. It's nothing to be ashamed of. So you grow from them, and you put more effort in when you've made a mistake, because you got to get your head around something. It's good. I think of it differently now when I make a mistake. I like making mistakes. I end up learning more. Anyway, so I haven't got a lot of time, but I'll read out a few. There's a new way of me putting news and links up for each lesson as well, so you get more contextual examples. I'm just doing a bit of fill here now. Anyway, I'll get one in. Digon o'r gemau hyn. Enough of these games. Doedd dim llawer ono. There wasn't much there. And last one, bydd pawb yn helpu. Everyone will help. Okay, see you tomorrow.